Hey guys! Need help getting your advertising on TikTok? It only takes a few minutes to create and share your ads on TikTok. Keep watching our step-by-step guide and don't miss a thing. What is clear is that with more than 1 billion active users, TikTok is the leading visual social network in the industry and has shaken up the digital marketing world with its ability to make something viral in a short time. Whether it's a challenge, a dance, a cleaning trick, or a product, why can't it be yours? Make sure you follow these steps. 1. Create a TikTok Ads Manager account. 2. Select a target you want your business to reach. 3. Determine your audience and budget. 4. Create your videos using the Creative Center. To get started, you simply have to visit the TikTok advertising website and click on Get Started Today, which will bring up a short form that you will have to fill in with different information to generate your account settings. After this, a TikTok manager will contact you to set up your account in a more personalized way. Please note that it can take up to 48 hours before your account is validated and active for use. Once the account has been validated, you will be able to start building your campaigns. Keep in mind that 60% of TikTok users are under 30 years old. 41% are between 16 and 24 years old, so if your target is young people, investing in advertising on TikTok will be a good option for your business, but perhaps if your target audience is much older, you still have to rethink whether investing in TikTok ads is the best option for your store. Experts recommend advertising on TikTok if your target is in this spectrum of 16 to 30 years old. As we were saying, TikTok is recent, and so are its ads and campaigns. This brings some exclusivity to the matter. So you could say that advertising on TikTok has a premium cost that starts at an average of $10 per CPM. So we are talking about a minimum budget of $20 day per ad group, about $50 per day on average. In the budget section, you also have to take into account the selected bidding method, the limited audience, the objective of your campaign. In addition, in TikTok advertising, there are premium ads with interactive formats, the hashtag challenge and brand takeover, for example, whose cost is very high and can only be afforded by large companies. Advertising on TikTok consists of ads that can be videos or horizontal, vertical or square images. If you are not a designer or very creative, don't panic. TikTok has a tool called Video Creation Kit that makes it very easy for you to create your ads with various templates and customizable images. It's a native TikTok tool, it's free, and you have over 300 background music clips to use for free. If you are overwhelmed by the idea of having to check your social ads on every platform, don't run away. With the Clever Ads Manager app, you can manage all your online advertising in the palm of your hand, in one click, wherever you are, and at any time.